Finger looking good. Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you how we cook Outenga achar or elephant apple relish in Northeast India. Although the preparation can take about 2 to 3 days, guys, please don't get intimidated as it's really easy to prepare and I'm sure you can give it a try. I have prepared a couple of dishes earlier on my channel and yeah, I hope you can see the card. So do check them out too. And now without further delay, let's check out the ingredients. Elephant apple or Outenga, mustard oil, you can use any other vegetable oil, fennel powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt as per taste, jaggery and Indian 5 spice also known as pachpuron. Now let's start preparing our elephant apple relish. Peel the elephant apple and rinse them thoroughly. Now take a deep pot, add your elephant apple petals into the pot and fill it with water. Bring it to a boil which should take about 20 to 30 minutes on a medium flame. Drain the water and let it cool. Now carefully remove the shiny skin on both sides and simultaneously chop them into thick slices. Once this step is over, place them on a large plate. Add turmeric powder, mix them well, and now we have to sun dry them for a day or two. If you are making this relish in summers, 1 day is sufficient as the flesh should not overtly get dry. Our second step on day 2 or day 3, we will have to take a large pan and heat oil. Once hot, add your Indian 5 spice and red chili powder. Stir and cook them on a low flame for a minute. Add our sun-dried elephant apple pieces. And salt. Mix them well and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring continuously. At this point, we will crumble our jaggery and add it. Mix them well about half a cup of water, stir and cook it. Keep adding water little by little for 3 to 4 times. This will make the fibers soft and juicy and should take about 20 minutes. Finally, add your fennel powder, stir it well and cook it for 5 minutes. And once it's sticky and gooey looking, our delicious relish is ready. Here is our elephant apple relish. It's ready. Mine has become slightly more red than usual because I think I added a lot of the red chili powder, and you can reduce it. I like slightly hotter than the regular people, so I think this will go perfectly for me. I have not even tasted it yet, but it's really smelling good. I can feel a slight tanginess, flavor coming through, as well as a lot of sweetness. This is a sweet, sour, salty combination, and if you like savories, then I'm sure you're going to love this too. So what do you think about the recipe? Do let me know in the comments. And this is very authentic to Northeast India, and this is how we eat our elephant apple relish. And now I'm going to give it a try. Like I said, it's tangy and sweet, sour. I mean, what a perfect amalgamation. It's even hot. And you need to really chew this so that you can squeeze out all the juices that has entered into the fibers. This must be somewhere on the outer cover of the petals of elephant apple, Outenga. I love the kick that it's coming from the Indian 5 spice or pachpuron. And the fennel seeds powder. It really does a lot of wonder to make it more flavorful. You can smell all the spices and condiments together, but does not overpower the fruit itself, which is elephant apple. This is perfect for a hot spring day like today. And I have some rice. I have made split chickpea or bud dal with by tempering it with ghee and some what did I add? Again I added one dried red chili, salt, turmeric and cumin whole seeds. This is something that I made. That's cabbage, finely chopped, potato and green peas. This is something that we eat almost alternate days during winter with baby potatoes and green peas as well as cabbage. These are mostly grown only in the winter months in Northeast. I think in the northern India also, in northern India as well. But these days with GM, you can get these vegetables throughout the year. So this chutney will go really well when your food is slightly bland Yeah, yeah, and it's going to be a vegetarian meal for me after a very long time. I'm going to help myself with this dal. Look how delicious it's looking. Oh my. Split chickpeas, we love it when it's slightly thick and not runny like other lentils. And I will mash it with my rice. This is jasmine rice and hence it will not be really white. And these are straight from our farms back in Meghalaya. Yes, we literally, I will not say exported, yeah, we flew them all the way from Garo Hills. So, this is how we eat. Mix. These two are really good. The dal is tasty. One more morsel of rice since I've not eaten from the last 5-6 hours. And then goes in the Outenga chutney, achar, whatever you can call it. I know I'm making a lot of sound, but I really have to open my mouth while chewing this fibrous fruit. It's really going well with my meals. Man, I wish you were here to join me for this on this beautiful day at lunch. Since Outenga majorly grows between October to February, yeah, we in Northeast India we do not have summer vacations, we have winter vacations. So all that hard work that we do in peeling and making this relish really goes well during the winter months when you can leisurely do this kind of tasks and are quite a good time pass, I would say. Yeah, I've also seen growing up as a child that we used to make other pickles like radish. Yeah, during the same time that we did prepare Outenga pickle, chutney, relish, whatever you call. You can prepare this delicious relish and store them in airtight containers. Ensure that every time you open the bottle, you do not use any spoon or ladle which is wet or basically has water, because then it will catch molds. Let me know by hitting the like button if you have ever tried this pickle, so that I can know that you have enjoyed them just like me. Also, I remember a very fond childhood memory. So, when our school used to reopen around mid-February, yeah, and the hotter days generally picks up by mid-March, we will happily eat these relish on by sitting on our veranda staircase after school around 2:30 3 p.m. Yeah, And when I say hot, it means 25 to 26 degrees. Mm. Mm. Isn't there something about these tangy fruits that we all like and always crave for, right? Ah. But since I have prepared these basically to have it with rice, it goes well with this kind of food. But if you eat as is, probably you might need to down a glass of water. Mine has turned out slightly hot. I think I added about half teaspoon of chili powder. Please, please, please reduce it. But ensure that you add it. Otherwise you will miss that taste. Mm. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and lot of you who are subscribed to my channel have not still hit that bell button. Guys, please go ahead and hit that bell button so that every time I upload you get notified. And again, a gentle reminder, I upload every Friday without fail. Yeah, so please check out. Also, you can go to the channel and see if you enjoy any particular recipe and you want me to do a mukbang. Maybe I can give that a try. Or if you have any recipes at home which you think you should share with rest of the world, do send it across on my Gmail ID, which is given in the channel's description, and I'm going to share it with the rest of our YouTube friends. Here goes the last Outenga. All that hard work for the last 2 days is worth it once you taste this. So please give it a big thumbs up. Also consider sharing it with your family and friends, and also try out the recipe if you ever get hold of this dish, this fruit. Until then, I'll meet you on Friday with another new recipe video.